If I were to have to source and do this all on my own, as well as hire and train a staff, I would have really been pulled even more so in 1,000 different directions.
Aaron and I are telecom and technology industry veterans with over 53 years of combined experience. Maven IT provides and manages and installs all the technology needed for operating a franchisee location. It includes anything that touches the network and the network itself.
During the construction process, these franchisees have a lot on their plate. There are multiple vendors they'll need to engage. So Maven IT can bring all of those vendors to one place, vet them for you, use best-of-breed technologies, and carry it through to completion.
Using one technology partner really made things seamless and easy for us. We've used Maven in the past with our Smoothie King franchises, and with our first Buff City store, we knew that we could just hand it over to them and they would just make the process easy and seamless for us.
We service franchisees with as few as one location to multi-unit, multi-brand franchisees with dozens of locations. Since early 2020, we have been involved in over 100 new location openings for many great brands such as Smoothie King, Buff City Soap, Workout Anytime, High Tone Fitness, Phoenix Salon Suites, La Vida Massage, and others. They come back to us when they open new stores because they know we're going to install it right the first time.
In most cases, the franchisees are left on their own to tackle this whole technology situation by themselves. Many are not technology apt and don't understand or just don't have the resources on their staff to help them get where they need to be. So that's where Maven IT can come in and help correlate all of those different technologies to make sure that these technologies work together and play nice together overall.
Having the right partners has made my life so much easier.
There are so many different components to think about. Low voltage wiring, Wi-Fi, should you have a guest network, a separate network, phones. We take care of it 100% from installation to implementation to continued support.
The main thing is don't do it yourself. Find a trusted technology partner that can provide, install, and manage all the technology needed for your location.
Maven IT knows the common pitfalls that take place and how to avoid them. We've done this many times over.
For instance, if all of a sudden you can't process credit card payments and you have customers walking in and there's a line and they turn around and leave and go somewhere else, you need someone who can quickly diagnose and troubleshoot the problem.
Why would you risk having all of your technology across different vendors and having to reach out to all these different vendors when Maven IT can do it for you? We look at it comprehensively, we know how it all fits together and how it plays together the best way. After 90 days of franchise hell, it is a great feeling to walk across the finish line with the franchisee in their technology journey. Going from POS to internet install to build outs to Wi-Fi, security, we've got the franchise covered and it feels great, like we just finished this race and we've achieved the greatest success.
One of the best feelings is watching that first customer walk up to the register and process that first credit card payment and seeing the look on the franchisee's face knowing that they accomplished their goal.